Dude. Yeah, my SDR computer's freaking out, man.
Let me try this again. I'm 1x3M1212. Just listening to myself on Gooey Stream. Okay, there we go.
I hope this computer doesn't die. Thanks, PJ Pants. My CPU cooler fan is spinning the wrong way on this Dell. What the hell? I might have to restart this SDR computer. Jeez. And you know, now everybody starts watching. There's 6 people in here and starting to have problems. It's the way of the world. W2BTK.
So now let me get this straight. You're saying your fan changed from suck to blow?
Jesus, did you? It's making like loud squealing noises too. This is crazy.
I heard that.
Dude, it scared me the first time I heard it. I was like, what the hell is that? But the CPU cooler fan is definitely spinning the wrong way on this stupid Dell. I don't know what to do. I might have to restart the computer, in which case, Jesus Christ, everybody who finally just came in here is probably gonna leave. But my God, hold on, let me try this.
Maybe you got a more Australian version of the well.
All right, guys. Sorry, I have to dump the SDR for a minute. The computer's having a lot of issues. If you can hang out with me for like a minute or two, we'll be back. Oh, look, see, somebody just left. You guys use the chat. I'll chat with you. It doesn't have to be boring. I'm gonna power cycle this computer now. And hopefully the CPU fan starts spinning the right way. Hold on. Oh man, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Hold on, the SDR will be back in however long it takes to boot Windows on this bootleg ass. See, I'm running 2 PCs. I've got the good PC that I'm streaming on right now, and then this PC, it just runs my receiver for the ham radio stuff, and I'm having an issue or two. So, y'all can see that thing booting up. The HF feed will be right back. Do you hear that? Oh my God, man. This computer's gonna die, man. yeah, holy fuck squad is right. Well, here's the welcome screen. Windows is gonna boot. And how did my camera get out of focus? That's not good. Dude, that is a death rattle, but it's just the stupid CPU fan. I mean, I'm sure I have some stuff laying around I could replace it with, but I'm on the air right now. All right, machine booted. That's good. Fucking woo! This is tasty. I've had a lot of technical issues today, man. Like, it's no small thing. I'm bringing you guys a ham radio feed with no ham radio right now. See, I clicked, oh, that screen's all whited out, but I clicked the SDR program, and it should be loading. but it's kind of not. The computer's not frozen. Holy crap. Oh, I hear relays clicking. That's a good sign. My receiver. Oh, okay. Okay. Now I need to open OBS. One thing at a time. Oh, God. This thing might. Oh, yeah, it locked up. Jesus. Oh, because I have 2 instances of it. As my fellow American radio operators. The receiver's back online, but. I don't know if I could deal with this right now. There. I just punched it as hard as I could and it shut the hell off. Dude, sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. You know what's great about this? I don't have a keyboard hooked up to this fucking piece of shit. All right, I'm going to disappear for 30 seconds. Get a keyboard. Just chill. Fuck me, man. Oh, yeah, I punched the fan. Look. That's what I get. I'm not having a very fun time with this, I gotta say. And I'm bleeding. So. Let's give this thing a little more time to boot. I think I definitely got a little bit hasty. I'm actually really gushing here. Don't punch computers when they don't work. It doesn't help. I learned that today with science. So, okay, Windows 7 Ultimate piece of crap welcome screen. All right. The thing booted. I'm going to wait for all the desktop icons to populate. There's the hello Windows sound. You guys are fucking saints. I can't believe you're still watching. Having all these technical problems. I'm going to bring you the ham radio as soon as I can. Oh my God. Oh, I fucking killed. Look, blue screen of death. Dude, I don't know, guys. This is fucked. Hey, yo, Ellers, man. Bro, thanks for the bits. That's fucking sweet. I'm struggling over here. You hear this fucking computer? This just started today. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yo, 7290, what's up? This is lame. His crap don't work. I'm out. Yep, that's pretty much the gist of it. I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry. Ooh. I hate this computer right now. You know that? Maybe it'll just die. Yeah, I think the computer just locked up, like dead. The CPU fan just stopped, and it's frozen on the boot screen. Jesus Christ. I mean, is this going to turn into like a computer repair stream? I don't know. It's fucked up. Totally fucked up. Computer, you are fucking me in the ass right now. No, you know what? The CPU fan fucking quit. Oh, I can't run this thing without a CPU fan. Break out the NC300. Yeah, All right, hold on. I'm going to try to start Windows with no CPU fan. Well, I go look for a CPU fan. I guess. Fuck me. Hold on. I might have something. And look, I'm not having a good time either. Look, I'm bleeding. I punched my CPU. Let me go grab I think I have a fan laying in the other room. All right. Fuck. Oh, these computers suck, man. All right, I found a fan, but it's too big for this CPU cooler. But I might be able to just like, real quick, plug it into the header. I know I'm having terrible luck tonight, but I'm doing like computer repair stuff live, so it might be interesting. What do I need? A screwdriver. Get a screwdriver, Bill. All right, hold on, guys. Here, I'm fucking.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Woo, woo, woo!
This is where I used to stream from. In here. All right. Son of a bitch, man. Son of a bitch. All right. Here, come up here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Oh God. Oh, they make it hard on you. I can't use this fucking screwdriver. I need a little tweaker screwdriver. Oh, here's one. This computer is on right now, by the way. And I think. All right. Oh shit. I just dropped a screw onto the motherboard. Did the computer just crash? Oh, it did. It totally locked up. God damn, man. Hey, Bob. Thanks for the. Oh, did you just subscribe, Bob? Holy shit, man. Yo, thank you. That's fucking awesome. All right, this computer just locked up. I'm not surprised. Hey, yo, Perry, man, thanks, bro. Fucking subscriptions and shit. All right, hold on, boys. I got. Jesus Christ. I need more light, man. Fucking. I'm gonna like jank up this CPU cooler and try to get on the air. How's this header work? Oh, I see. There we go. All right. There's the offending fan. What'd you just do, Bob? You subscribed. You subscribed to my channel. Bad fan. See, they're different sizes though. The big one is the one I'm gonna throw in there and like hope to friggin' God that it works. This is a 4-wire fan. This is only a 3-wire fan. I don't know if it's even gonna work. I don't think it'll even go in there. Dell with its proprietary shite. Alright, man. I just laid the fan on top of the CPU heatsink. We're gonna see if we can get this computer to boot. Fuck me, man. Oh, Jesus. Okay. The fan is spinning. The new fan I just installed is actually spinning. Windows. Oh, you can't see Windows right now. Here, come on back down here. So Windows is trying to boot. CPU fan is spinning. Oh gosh. This looks promising. Please wait. Welcome. Thing might be running faster. Dude, if I could get this computer to work and I actually get back on the air right now, that'll be some shit. Cross your fingers, boys. Oh, this is fucked up. What was it? First, my transmitter was squealing. Now my receiver's all fucked up. My Twitch name is misspelled. All right. Wow, this thing is it's actually booting faster than it did before. So I'm going to open OBS so that I can send this monitor over here over the network. And if that boots fine, I'm going to try to open the SDR program, man, and hopefully this shit works. I don't know what to say. Installing device drivers. Do your thing. Wow, there's actually people coming into the stream. So I just had a major computer crap out. My CPU cooler fan like died midstream. I replaced it. We're trying to open programs now, but the computer's not locked. But it doesn't seem like it's doing anything. I tried to open OBS. And it didn't do anything. Oh my God. I'm gonna click it again. OBS is already running. Okay, cancel. Well, where the fuck is OBS? I don't like this, man. Ah, fuck me. Is something happening? Oh, I see little hourglasses and crap. Oh, there it is. There's OBS. Okay. Failed to authenticate with Twitch. I don't care. I just want you for NDI output. All right. OBS is running on this stupid thing. Cross your fucking fingers. Here we go. Hold on to your butts. We're going to open SDR Sharp. This thing... fucking... This is a nightmare, man. Yo, man. This is a nightmare, man. Yeah, it's better, right? Oh, kinda. Alright. So I clicked SDR Sharp like 60 seconds ago. Nothing's happening yet. Last time I did this, I clicked it twice and it crashed. So, oh, I see an hourglass. Come on, baby. Oh, I hear my receiver clicking. There's relays clicking. Dude, we might be back on the air. Oh. Fuck yeah, dude. That should be up on the screen now. Okay, sick. NDI is working. Guys, I think I just fixed my computer. Let's fucking go! Woo! Yes! Dude, that was some fucked up shit. I gotta go. Oh, Bob. Hey, man. I'll catch